Welcome to 4th weekly syllabus. Lessons Primary School, Class 4, Subject Science. Today I will explain you the topic Animals and their young ones. So let's start.
Now, children, our first topic is we can see many things around us. They are living things and non-living things. Living things like animal, birds and trees have the ability to reproduce more of their kind. In this picture, you can see some examples of living things, and here in this picture you can see some examples of non-living things. Animals can be divided into two categories. They are egg-laying animals and animals that give birth to babies. Here, same in this picture, you can see some examples of egg-laying animals are snake, turtle, chicken, duck, lizard, crocodile, owl, platypus, etc. And here in this picture, you can see some examples of the animals that give birth to the babies. For example, zebra, goat, camel, cow, buffalo, etc. Children will discuss about egg-laying animals. You can see in this picture a hen, an egg-laying animal. Many animals reproduce by laying eggs. The eggs are kept in a warm place, or the parent animals sit on them to keep eggs warm. The habit of some animals to sit on their eggs to keep eggs warm is called incubation. Once the egg mature, the young ones hatches out. Now we'll discuss about birds. All birds reproduce by laying eggs. Most birds build their nest on the trees to lay their eggs and to raise their young ones. Parts of an egg are eggshell, albumen, yolk and embryo. Now children, you can see in this picture parts of an egg. The yellow inner part is called yolk and the white inner part is called albumen and the outer hard part is called eggshell. The egg has a thin protective shell called eggshell. There is a white jelly-like substance inside the egg that is called albumen and the yellow inner part of egg is called yolk. The yolk contains food for the growing baby or embryo. The embryo develops into a chick. Now within the eggs, the embryo goes through various stages of development before the egg hatches out and chick comes out. The chick then grows into an adult. Various stages of development from an embryo to mature adult are called life cycle of an animal. Besides birds, frogs, fish, turtle, lizard, crocodile, snake, cockroaches, butterfly, bee, mosquitoes and grasshopper lays eggs. The life cycle of a frog. A frog lays eggs in a large cluster. Now they are called spawns. A tadpole hatches out of an egg which looks very different from an adult frog. It undergoes several changes through a process known as metamorphosis. Before it becomes an adult, a complete change from young one to an adult form is called metamorphosis. Discuss about the life cycle of a butterfly. The life cycle of butterfly also shows metamorphosis. The caterpillar comes out from the eggs, looks very different from a fully grown butterfly. This process of shedding of old skin is called molting. About the animals that give birth to the babies. Now in this picture, children, you can see some example of animals that give birth to the babies. Some animals do not lay eggs. They reproduce by giving birth to the young babies that feed on their mother's milk. Such animals are called mammals. Mammals have well developed brain. Here, hare, zebra, tiger, rhinoceros, raccoon, bear. They are mammals which give birth to the babies. Examples of mammals: human beings along with dog, cat, lion, elephant, deer, cow, buffalo, hippopotamus, zebra, giraffe, monkey and rabbit. And whales and dolphins are the mammals found in water, but they do not have hair on their body. Mammals live on land and breathe through lungs and come out to the surface frequently to breathe in air. As parent, all the other mammals look after their babies. Most of them build houses to protect their babies from enemies and also hunt for food. The mother fed her babies from her own milk. She cleans them and keeps them warm. Thank you.